We'll guide you through how to download and install Forge for Minecraft 1.21.6. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Forge is a mod loader, so what we can do is go and add mods into Minecraft using it. We'll guide you through the process. To get started, we can come and close out of Minecraft just like so. Next, we're going to be on the desktop and you need to go and open up a web browser of your choice. In this case, I'm going to use Chrome, but it doesn't matter and you can come to a search engine. Now what you want to do is go and type in Forge Minecraft like so, and we can come to the official site files.minecraftforge.net. Here we are. Go over to the left and you can select 1.21.6 and then we can go and see the installer here. Go and click on it. Now when you go and click on this, you can be taken to an ad wall. Just be aware your download button is for the ad. To get to the download for Forge, you'll need to wait for the skip button in the top right, which we can click on, and now it's gone and downloaded, as you can see. So now that we've got Forge, we now need to go and get some mods for it. So a great site I like to use for getting mods is called CurseForge. There are other sites you can get them from, but here we are. What you can do is on curseforge.com is select Minecraft, select browse all at the top. We can come to mod loaders and select Forge, and we can go and filter for 1.21.6. Now what we can do is go and find a mod that we want to go and install. In this case, I'm going to get the simple voice chat mod. So I'll go and click on it. You can then read about it, but to get it, you need to press files at the top. Now what we need to do is make sure we get it for 1.21.6 and for Forge. Then we can press the three dots to the right and press download file. Go and wait for this to finish downloading. It shouldn't take too long. It's now downloaded. Before we start the install process, a big thank you to the sponsors of this video, Apex Hosting. If you need a Minecraft server, make sure you go and check out the link in the pinned comment and the description. With Apex, they've got so many great features. For example, one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers, and support so you can get the help anytime you need it for your always online server, amongst many other great features as well. And at the moment, you can get a discount, so make sure you go and check them out. Now to continue with the install process, you need to go and open up your file explorer. What you can do is come to your downloads. Find Forge and double click on it. When you do this, it should go and open up. If nothing happens or something else happens, then make sure you've got Java installed. Open up your web browser and you want to go to java.com. Here you can press download Java for desktops and download again. It will download and you can then go and install it like any other application. I already have. After you've installed it, return to Forge and right click, hover over open with and press choose another app. Select Java and you can press always. It will then go and run. As you can see, what you can then do is go and select install client and you can press OK. If it still doesn't run there, you may need to do something called a jar fix, which links jar and jar files together again. Now that we've installed it, we need to go and open up the Minecraft launcher. Go to the top and press installations. Scroll down and you need to find Forge, hover over it and press the folder icon to the right. Scroll down, find the mods folder and come into it. Now what you need to do is go and add in the mod. So I can go and do that now. Simply go and drag and drop it in like this. After you've done that, you can hover over Forge and press play to the right. That's it, we successfully installed it. If we go and press mods, we can go and see it there.